Hello guys from my street Iacopelli and welcome back to my channel. Today we are in the city of Los Angeles, the city, California dream. So today I'm going to show you the 3 best pizzeria in Los Angeles. Make sure you watch until the end because the 6 pizza that we are going to eat is gonna be super surprise to you. And of course, this trip of the best pizzeria is going to be with a special person, guys. Oh, that's it, this guy. He came from Italy, of course he's gonna get a red Mustang Cabriolet.
So, what we're going to do today?
Here we go, guys. We got Giovanni Foy from Italian Exploring Food.
I never find a special pizza here in Los Angeles beside yours.
But today I'm so happy because I'm going to bring you to the 3 best pizzeria. Okay, Giovanni, the first pizzeria it's super special because I'm gonna bring you to Italy, but in Los Angeles. This pizzeria is inside Italy, like you've been to New York. It's the same company.
Rosso Pomodoro?
Yeah, it's special for me because I've been working for them a long time. But every pizzeria is different pizza chef. Use all Italian ingredients, amazing pizza oven, always cook in a wood burning oven, authentic Neapolitan pizza.
Okay, let's try the first one.
Let's go. This is the first best pizzeria in Los Angeles. One of my favorite because
I really trust you.
If I bring you today here, it's for a reason. It's super special. So let's go taste.
You know that a few days ago I went to the Stellar Pizza. It's a pizza robot made by the engineer from Elon Musk SpaceX.
I have to go try. That's why this is one of the best because they make the cheese here in front of you. They make it fresh mozzarella. So everything is so fresh. Look just the pizza oven. Of course, this pizza oven like that, I'm gonna tell you that the pizza is really good. Okay, now
the first thing you have to see is the oven.
Yes, and then of course, hopefully the pizza chef makes a good job.
I trust you, and I know the chef will do a great job.
Now come with me. I'm gonna meet the pizza chef.
Let's do it.
Let's go. Francesco, can I have one moment from you? Here, guys, we're gonna meet one of the best pizza chef in Los Angeles.
Nice to meet you. I'm Giovanni.
Nice to meet you.
Francesco,
Vito, come stai?
Wow. Let me explain to you who is this guy. And here you go, Francesco, one of the best pizza chef in Los Angeles. After me,
Too much.
What's the best? You or him?
He is the maestro, super maestro. You know.
He's the master. Yeah.
You know.
Francesco, I brought this guy here. Always I send him to the places. So now you're gonna make 2 special pizzas. Surprise me.
I can make it like salsicce fiorelli.
Make whatever you want.
Naples one, and we make the salumiere.
Salumiere is?
Meat lover.
Meat lover.
You're gonna give me a favor.
Favorite pizza.
You're gonna give me a favor. He's gonna cook it. At least one. Are you ready?
I can do that.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna explain you a little bit what is he doing because Francesco is a little shy. So he just take out the ball from the how many hours?
26 hours.
Direct method, that means that it's
Not
made
in
with
the fridge.
Liga or
Regular,
already
you know.
stretched. Press the side. Amazing.
1, 2, 3.
He did it small because in Naples we make the pizza small and then you put all the ingredients because the dough is so soft. Because if you make it big and you put all the toppings, it's gonna make a hole. So he makes it small and then he makes it big on the peel. This way the pizza doesn't create the hole. Okay, tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce.
Some Marzano.
Of course, yes.
You're making a meal lover.
Meal lover.
You got some sausage. Pepperoni spicy.
Buffalo mozzarella.
You know why he's going so fast? Because after he puts the sauce and ingredient, the pizza sticks to the table. So you need to be fast. So now he's gonna make it big. He makes sure the pizza is not stuck and makes the... So Giovanni, pay attention because the next one you're gonna cook it, okay? He's cooking the pizza. This oven is around 780 degrees, 700, 800 degrees. So it's a nice flame in the oven. That's what you need. You need the pressure in the oven to cook the pizza. So we have to make sure that the pizza is soft and crunchy at the same time. See?
Yeah, it's something.
So you know what's why soft and crunchy? So you need to have the crispiness outside and soft inside. So now it's time to eat. I'm gonna eat this one. This one is big. Look at this.
My life is see the best food place in the world. I want to make like the biggest review of every pizzeria in the world.
That's why, guys, go check him out. The channel is Italian Exploring Food. So I will link under below. Go ahead and subscribe because it's amazing what we're doing together also. So this is how you eat the pizza here. Because everybody, that's the American people. They grab like that, everything falls down.
No!
Guys, you don't eat the pizza like that, okay? That's how you eat it. You put everything there, this one you flip it inside, and that's how you eat. In Naples with 1 bite.
The oil and the fat from the meat is perfect with the mozzarella and tomato sauce.
In Italy they call this salami. This is spicy salami, which is pepperoni USA. It's not from Italy, it's from Canada. Now tell me if this pizza doesn't taste even the same in Naples.
Actually, kind of better than some
places.
Yeah, some places not that good. Good
You
job.
did a good job, Francesco, good job. Now you can make the second one. I can't wait to taste the second one. This is one of the most typical pizza in Caserta.
Salsicce Fiorelli.
The name of this pizza, the original name of this pizza is Casertana, because it was born in Caserta. Tell me if I'm wrong.
From Campania, okay?
Okay,
Campania.
okay, tell me.
Okay, guys, very easy. What we're
Never
gonna
tell
do-
a Naples guy that pizza is from Caserta. Don't do that.
Okay, we got sausage.
Vediamo some scamorza,
provola.
provola.
You cook those rapini, right?
Yes.
Beautiful.
Call me Vito Iacopelli.
Let's go see this pizza,
Okay.
take a look. Hey, we're gonna check if it's soft and
vediamo un
crunchy.
po'.
That's what I'm talking about, soft and crunchy.
lui-
Let's go.
Yeah?
If your palate can separate all the ingredients, that means they are good ingredients. I know pizza a little bit too.
I know that.
You cook this pizza. The rapini tastes a little bit sour, like just exactly like Naples.
Usually I prefer the pizza not that cooked, not well done, but this one it let me a special flavor. I don't know why.
Outstanding. I can't wait to show you my last pizzeria, which is my favorite pizzeria in Los Angeles. So make sure you watch until the end, because the last pizza is gonna explode your mind.
I will tell you something. It's only the first pizzeria and you already got my hair.
So if you think that was good,
Okay.
wait to see this one. It's special, and I believe probably it's a little bit better. Yes. I have to say something. The guy is not even from Italy. Yeah, it's not the best because he learned from my videos, but it's special because this guy is not a pizza chef, but he opened up a pizza place by watching my videos. Also, he got a masterclass where I explain how to open a pizza
Yeah.
place, and then he was able to open this little nice small pizzeria.
So that's a goal for you, man. Not
It is,
for him,
I'm
it's
so
for
proud.
you.
I'm so proud of him.
The name of the pizzeria is?
Pizzeria Sei.
Let's try it out.
Andiamo. He's Williams, one of the best pizza chef in Los Angeles, because he makes a really good pizza. Look at this, he's making the pizza dough, fantastic dough. Nice. What hydration is this?
It's 63, 62.
Tell this guy, how did you learn how to make pizza?
I watch your YouTube, your video.
That's what I'm talking about. But also, you bought the masterclass.
Ah,
So,
you
and
are the one who buy that.
What's the weight of the balls?
About 256.
Fantastic. So he makes the dough with the biga.
So we make a dry pre-ferment and a certain hydration and a certain amount of yeast, and then we put in the wine fridge for 18 hours, and the next day we mix it with the new flours to have a more taste and then great texture.
My friend, you are the second pizza place that I suggest to this guy and to them as the best neapolitan pizzeria in Los Angeles. This guy, he have passion for what he does.
Okay.
So do you feel like you can see he got different flours, different brands, and then he mix it up with the. So this is all 00 different brands with the type 1. So it gives more protein, more fibers on the dough.
Okay.
So to be able to get the nice and perfect combination of texture. I like people that have passion for what they do. He gets the cheese directly from Italy, guys. Take a look. Casolare.
Fior di latte.
Fior di latte, amazing. Puts the cheese in this way it drains out for the day after. So this is how we stretch this guy. Take a look. How long you been making pizza?
2 years.
2 years, guys. Take a look. Fantastic. So what's your first special pizza?
Margherita.
Margherita.
Yeah.
Let's go with the margherita. Handmade tomatoes.
Yes.
Where you get this tomato from?
Oh, I mix Italian tomato and California tomato.
That's what I'm talking about. Italian California mix. You got regular wood and also you got chips. That's the proper way to cook the pizza. So when he puts this, he gives the high flame, which is gonna give the soft and crunchy.
I put the sea salt. This style, we put the salt on the bottom.
Salt on the bottom of the pizza. Why is that? So I tell you what, my mother used to put the salt on the bottom to cool down the oven.
Yes,
So
yes.
now why you put the oven? And why you put the salt in the oven?
Because the bottom is very hot, yeah, so
So you put the salt and goes down. Good job. Good job.
and then season the dough.
Understand that? This guy got my masterclass, so make sure you check it out, the link is below, and make sure if you want to get my masterclass, get the code and you get a discount. There we go, pizza is ready. Giovanni, did you see the texture of this pizza?
Yeah.
It's super particular.
Yeah, it's like
Even if you stretch the air, it's still growing.
yeah, it's still growing, right? And you can see on the top there is a much oil.
Yeah, the oil helps to cooking, so
Okay.
it cooks more faster than the other because the oil warms up faster.
The different from the first one, I feel the real taste of Italian pizza.
This guy gets the cheese from Italy, from Caserta.
Caserta.
The camera guy, Leonardo. Let's see what you think of this pizza.
Yeah, it's fantastic. It's like a Tilio pizza.
Eataly is the best one. Better than you.
I'm not sure about that. Not sure about that. I'm gonna. Hey, when I go to Italy, I'm gonna go with you on the tasting the Attilio. So, like you can see, he stretches, he pinches the pizza crust. He got his own style. So this is insane. That was what catch my attention. So right now, he's putting the shallot cream. It's a special pizza, patate. A pinch of oregano, the garlic. Look what it does. That's how you see the experience of a chef. Now, slice of potatoes, roasted. It's like a ratatouille pizza. I tasted this one before. I love it. Provolone, ricotta cheese, pecorino. You mix pecorino and parmigiano, pepper, and extra version of oil on top. This is gonna be good. Hey, look, hold on. We're gonna shoot a picture of this. I love this pizza. He's a pizza chef proud of this pizza. Oh, you also put, what is it on top?
Fine.
Oh, thyme. This pizza is where you taste if the pizza chef has passion for what he does.
Okay.
Because this is a super hard pizza. You get the potato, yes, potato, thyme, or combination of the ingredients. So if the pizza is good, the chef is good.
Everything is perfect on the top, but the garlic makes everything special. The potato and the garlic together, outstanding, outstanding.
The problem is, which I don't agree, when everybody goes always to the same location. Okay, so Billo, Da Michele,
Okay,
I don't want to
in
say these
Naples,
names,
okay.
but everybody goes there all the time. My goal is to show the people which is the real good pizza, and this guy's not famous at all. Nobody comes here. Even if he deserves more success than the most famous pizzeria like Da Michele.
You will get it.
For sure. They need to understand that we don't
Yeah.
go to the location because we get paid or because
Except
nobody pays us.
No, nobody pays us.
Nobody pays us. This is a free and real video where it's the best food.
By the way, this pizza is way better than before.
Fantastic. I don't have no words. Pizza is beautiful. And Jovan, I'm so full.
I'm
My
not,
God.
I'm not. I can
Let's
still
sit down.
eat it.
Let's sit down a little bit. So right now we're gonna drive a little bit.
Okay.
It's a little bit far. So this pizza place, that's why I left to the end.
Okay, your
Because
favorite one.
it's my favorite pizza place. The pizza is amazing and the pizza chef is a friend of mine, but also is super amazing.
If Vito Iacopelli say this one is my favorite pizzeria in Los
Yes.
Angeles, one, you have to believe. The second, you have to try instantly.
Yes.
So let's go. Let's move on. Which is the name?
It's Nardo and is in the city of Huntington Beach. It's
Oh,
the city of
Quite
surf.
far, quite far.
It is a little bit far, but
Later,
let's go. It's worth it.
we surf in the night.
It's worth it. Let's go, guys. This is my favorite pizzeria. Okay.
After 2 hours of traffic,
Man, I'm
starving.
too. Let's
okay,
go eat.
let's go eat.
In the back here we have Antonio, one of the most good pizza chef. He's from Napoli. Antonio, fai
Pizzaiolo
pizzeria?
da 27 anni.
Well, look at this, guys. This is water.
Un impasto idratato al 72%, lievitato 24 ore.
Like he said, he got 72% hydration. Like you can see, this dough is super hard to work. So it's super sticky, it's super wet, high hydration because to be able to have the pizza more lighter and more digestible. So like you can see, you're stretching, it's pressing everywhere. And now he's gonna fold it.
Ok.
You are like a Napolitan ninja.
That's ragu, super flavor tomato sauce. Parmesan cheese. Hey Antonio, this mozzarella comes from Italy or comes from here?
This is California.
Local,
Because
everything
it's
goes
fresh.
in more fresh, yes. And that's we have the meatballs. Pay attention how he puts the pizza on the peel.
Sì.
Okay, like you can see right now, it's cooking the pizza on the peel because the pizza already cooked on the bottom. So it's nothing wrong to cook the pizza on the peel. So to be able to not burn the pizza, it puts the pizza on the peel. And it's cooking it far from the flame because it's folded. Oh my god, take a look of this pizza. Lovely.
This is soft and crunchy.
Oh yeah.
Buon appetito, ragazzi.
So when the pizza is too soft, they eat it with fork and knife, Italian style, like that.
This pizza is better than yours. The ragu,
I agree.
the meatball
Ragu,
is too fucking amazing.
I agree. This pizza is really good, outstanding because the ragu and the meatballs, really good combination.
If you are in Los Angeles, come here. It's a restaurant.
You have to come here. Yes.
You totally have to try this pizza. Tell the chef you are here from the Vito, from Giovanni Fois and Vito Iacopelli.
Yeah, ragu meatballs pizza. I'm gonna eat this, man.
Outstanding. This one is the goal of the pizza.
Oh, Antonio.
Bravo!
Mamma mia. This is the last pizza of today.
No, another one, please.
And this is gonna be special. Hey guys, take a look at the shoes of this guy.
Yeah.
Take a look at this shoe. Green peas. You guys saw this in my channel for sure. Cream of green peas. Got some grana cheese, some basil, roasted bacon.
Bacon. Yeah.
Oh, pepper. We got pepper. Amazing. Olive oil. Take a look of the pizza. It's cooking at a low flame. Top class. Top class. That's what I'm looking for.
Oh my god.
This is gonna be super tasty.
I saw your channel, but
I do
didn't
this
try.
also on my parties. It's an interesting flavor. I like more the one before.
It's really good.
Ragu sauce.
The ragu sauce was better.
This is also really good too.
This was the best pizzeria in this video, for sure.
I told you.
These guys are good. Good job, Vito. Good choice. Oh my god.
I'm exhausted of pizza. I don't want to see pizza for at least 1 month, my friend.
You have to do other videos about pizza.
It's hard. So the first one from Nardo, the one with ricotta conicione, top class. So I put that on the first place. Second place, the one with potato from Pizzeria Sei.
And the third one?
The third one probably the rapini. But even the margherita from Pizzeria Sei was good.
I think the third one I would put the meat lover from
Meat
Rosso
lover.
Pomodoro.
I think the rapini was good too. So guys, like you can see, we are exhausted. I'll see you at the next one. Thank you so much for watching. And go ahead, visit these pizza places. Subscribe to my friend's channel and to my channel. See you at the next one. Bye.
Ciao!